Hi guys, I'm showing you this gloves. This have the LED lights on it, so if you are working and want to have some flashlight, you don't have to hold it because they have the flashlight inside the glove. So I will show that. It's very handy. One pair is of two gloves for both hands. These are really lightweight, and these are LED lights, and you can see the cushion and the velcro on the top to hold it on your wrist. So this goes in the thumb and index finger, and these LED lights are really well and is rechargeable, so you can recharge it. So you can see it fits really well on my hand, and I'm just tight it with the velcro. The lights are on with that button, so on and off. So no issue with my holding and doing any work with this one. So I'm just putting it on my both hands. See, like it's really nice and working while doing this work with a flashlight. I'm just showing you how on the flashlights or the LED lights are really strong that it can see in the dark. This is a charging port, the USB-C charging port, and charging cable is supplied. You can charge these with the supplied cable. So you can just take it out, put in this, and then you can just put this out in that any USB adapter or USB power bank, and it will charge itself.